Hey guys, what's up? So I am coming to you with another video, but in this video I'm not sure what I'm actually gonna do. Like, I didn't actually plan out a look or anything like that, so I guess I think I'm gonna call this just like a get ready with me. I'm still kind of very sick. I look really tired. I'm not going to be using a lot of foundation or anything like that, and I think I'm just gonna do something very simple on my eyes. And yeah, so if you wanna hang out with me, then keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is put some of my foundation on. This is the Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless foundation. I'm in the shade 4.0. I like this foundation. I'm almost out of it, actually. I like this foundation because it's medium to full coverage. You can build it up, and I just like to use this when, you know, I don't want a lot of coverage. Okay, so for now I'm gonna leave the face alone. I'll come back to it, but I decided that I'm going to use my Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette just because I haven't used it in a while. It has like really pretty peachy eyeshadows. I'm not gonna do anything super peachy. I think I'm just gonna stick to like the brown colors here. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a fluffy brush and dip into the shade Peach Tea, which is this color right here, and just like sweep that through the crease. This is going to be a super simple eye look. And then I'm actually going to take this color too and put it underneath my eye. And then after that, I'm going to take the color Peach Cobbler, the one right next to it, on a different fluffy brush, tap off the excess, and then put this a little lower in the crease and move in circular motions kind of in the same spot, and then moving it slowly through the rest of the crease. Do you guys have any suggestions on good drugstore eyeshadow palettes? Because I realized, it was actually brought to my attention, not that it was a bad thing, but I have a lot of high-end palettes, and I guess that's just because like I realized I'm like picky with what eyeshadow I use, because like I want it to be good, you know, like if I'm gonna spend quite a pretty penny on something, you know, as honestly stupid as eyeshadow, I want it to like work and be good. So if you guys have any like drugstore recommendations, that would be cool, because you know, I don't always want to spend a minimum of like $40 on eyeshadow palettes. But there's some stuff like mascara and whatnot that like I'm just not picky about. Like I'd say everything, like I have a good mix of high-end and drugstore stuff, but there's just some things that I will not spend my money on, like mascara. I'll get my stuff at the drugstore, or like eyebrow stuff, drugstore. Like, I don't know, there's some things that I guess I prioritize more in regards to makeup. You know what I'm saying? You guys catch my drift, you know what I'm saying? This is actually a lot more intense than what I was going for. I mean, it's like not intense. I've definitely worn more intense things than this, but I didn't plan on it. Actually, do I want to do that? I think this is okay. I don't think I want to go like too dark or smoky or anything like that. I just want like a wash of color. What I will do though is I'm going to take a flat brush like this, and I'm going to go into one of the lighter shades. I think I'm going to go into Peach Butter right here, and I think I'm going to mix it with this shade, so these two shades, Peach Butter and Peaches and Cream. I don't know if I want to do wing liner. I might just do like a brown eyeshadow liner. So I'm gonna take this little angle brush and dip into just like the brown colors, like the light brown and then like the deep brown that are in here, and just line my lash line. Teensy bit. I don't know if I'm gonna do. Yep, I'm gonna do a wing. I don't think I'm gonna deepen up my lower lash line or anything like that, so that means I'm going to go on to mascara. Okay, so the eyes are done. I'm going to go back and do the face now. I'm gonna put some bronzer on. Guys, look, I bought this for my birthday because I got a gift card from my aunt. Shout out to her. So I got the BECCA, Khloe, and Malika BFF collection thing. And it comes with look how pretty. It comes with a highlight, 2 blushes, and a bronzer. I think I'm actually gonna try out the bronzer today. I think I'm gonna do a different brush. I'm gonna use this brush where it's like flat like this, but then it's also kind of long too, so it gets like right into the cheeks. So, okay, this, she's pigmented. So let's see if this actually does something, because I was scared this was gonna be too light. Ooh, it's actually really pretty. Okay, so I like that. Now, because this also has like 2 blushes in it, I'm gonna try out the blush too. I just don't know which one I should do. I don't know if I should like mix both, because this top one is a peach, but then this is like a pink. I think I'm just gonna mix both. Ooh. Ooh, this is pretty. This is so pretty. I don't know what I was expecting. I feel like I wasn't expecting much, but this is really pretty. Wasn't gonna put on highlight just because I usually, honestly, if I'm being completely honest with myself, I don't really use highlight all that much. But since there's a highlight in here, I'm just gonna try it out. I swatched this and it looked magnificent. So I hope I don't put too much on. We'll see. Ooh, whoa. I think I'm actually gonna put some in my inner corner too. So I'm gonna take like a small-ish brush, if any of them are actually clean. So sorry about my hair. It's really frizzy at the top. I'm sorry. Okay, so for lips, I'm just gonna pop on this Morphe gloss. It's called Frolic. I don't feel like wearing actual lipstick today, but this gloss is like a pretty pink and gold. It just makes your lips look juicy, you know? Okay guys, so that was it. Thanks so much for sitting and hanging out with me. I hope that was sort of entertaining. I feel like I was kind of like boring. See you guys whenever I have another video.